welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Jill, and here I do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then please, before you leave, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So you guys, today a few videos back, I had stated that I was going to cook something that a lot of people have, and I mean good cooks, some really, really good cooks. I know 2 or 3 that are excellent cooks, but they can't seem to make this one thing. And what is this one thing? Cornbread. So listen, girl, we're going to make some cornbread. I'm going to show you how I make mine, and that's what we're going to do today. So let's get into this video. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my cornbread. You can omit the onion because I'm making onion bread today. Just omit it and it still will be like just regular cornbread. Or if you like onion bread, girl, I love some onion bread. You know, like it's really, really good. But I like onion. So anywho, this is what we're going to, our ingredients we're going to use. Now, I'm normally not a measurer, so I'm going to try to measure for you guys. So let me get my little things together. Okay, you guys, so I have a cup of cornmeal, self-rising cornmeal, and I think I'm gonna do a cup and a half. So okay, so I now have a cup and a half of cornmeal. I melted 2 tablespoons of butter. I've got a cup of milk, and I've got 3 eggs out because these eggs are kind of small, but I'm not sure we're going to use all 3 of them. So we are going to, did I say this was half a cup of sugar? Which seems like a lot to me. So we're going to start, I'm going to leave about that much in there. Because I like my cornbread to have some sweetness, but I don't want it to taste like Jiffy. Ooh, child, look at me making a mess. I'm trying to use this new device. Have you seen, I'm going to go ahead and put all that in there. Have you seen it's a phone holder. You put it around your neck. That's what I'm trying to get used to using. So anyway, we want to mix all that up. I'm going to add my milk. And for real, there's no order as to how you put these ingredients in here. I'm going to stir that up. And I probably should have did it a little bit at a time. Because what I wanted to show you was, with cornbread, the thicker your batter, the denser your cornbread. Now, I'm not a dense cornbread kind of lover. I like mine kind of loose like this. Kind of just a little bit thicker than pancake batter. So I'm going to have to add a little bit more cornmeal in here after I put my other ingredients in here. So that's our butter. I think I'm going to just do 2 eggs. You just want to mix all that real good. So let me get just a little bit more cornmeal Because remember, I said you want your batter to be kind of, for me, I like my batter like the consistency of pancake batter. So this right here is a little loose. So we're going to add just a little bit more. I'm going to add a little bit at a time till it gets like I want it. I want just a little bit more. Okay, so that's about like how I want it. About right there. So you guys remember I said I'm making onion bread. It's almost like a hush puppy is what it is. Let me see. So I'm going to add onion powder. You do not have to do this step because, as I said, I'm making onion bread. So I'm going to add some onion powder. And I'm going to add real onion. So let me get my blender together. Okay, you guys, so in my Ninja, I'm going to add this. This is one whole onion. It's probably a medium-sized onion if you choose to make onion bread. Yeah. Look, I'm trying to see through the camera. I'm not going to put any liquid in here. Come on now. Okay. So I can hit the single button. Wait a minute. Oh, I got to turn it on first. Duh. Now hit the single button. And I have to hold it. So I'm trying to hold you around my neck. Wait a minute. So that right there should be good enough. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to add my onion. You don't have to do your onion as fine as this. But the way I'm going to cook this cornbread, I didn't want it kind of chunky, so we want all that good onion flavor. As much as we can get out of there. Okay. We're going to stir that around in there. So while I was doing this, I turned on, because it would be at this point, you guys, if you are making skillet cornbread, and for me, the best skillet cornbread is done in a cast iron skillet. I got Southern roots in Cast iron is absolutely fabulous for cornbread and some fried chicken. Now, you want some beautiful fried chicken, some good fried chicken, do it in a cast iron skillet. And what I noticed is a lot of the young people nowadays don't even own cast iron. Everybody wants non-stick. But anywho, cast iron is your friend. So we got this together. And again, if you're doing it in a skillet, preheat your oven to about 325. Butter your skillet. Use butter. Or if you're on a diet, whatever oil you want to use to keep it from sticking. And then bake until it is golden brown or fork clean. When you stick your fork down in there, it comes out clean. So I am going to do mine a different way. So 1 second. Okay, you guys, so I've transferred my mixture into a measuring cup because I'm going to make mine. I'm going to make, some people call them corn cakes because you make them similar to pancakes. I have my griddle on and it is set at 325. I think it's 325. I don't have my glasses on. That's what I wanted on. But I'm going to pour. And the majority of the time, you guys, I do this in a skillet. But I wanted to do multiple because I don't want to be standing over the stove all day. That's just me. And you can make these whatever size you want. Okay. I got this sitting on my stove, so it's kind of cockeyed. I love this grill. I dropped it and broke part of it, but I still use it. Oh, shoot. Okay, there we go. Okay. So as I say, you're going to do this as you would do pancakes. So, once it starts to bubbling, then you're going to turn and flip it over. So I'll be back in just a second. Okay, you guys, I already started to flip in. And I let it get a little dark. But I really think it's the sugar in it. But this particular grill, you're not supposed to have to oil it. So we're going to let that get brown on the other side, and then we'll cook another batch. I still think these are pretty, though. They might be a little brown, but they're still going to be good. Okay, you guys, so here are my corn cakes. I'm still cooking some, but I thought I'd go ahead and show you this. So I hope this helped you making cornbread, either skillet or corn cakes. So you know how I love to close out. I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.